Hi girls, so I know you're all super busy this holiday season. I'm so proud of the amazing work that a lot of you are putting out there and really getting more trunk shows booked, and I know you're super excited about being really busy. But at the same time, I know what generally happens is our customer service starts to slack, and none of us want that. We all want to make sure that we're still being that Neiman's to our customer instead of being the Walmart to our customer and giving them that personal customer service that they love about Stella Dot so much and love from you. And that's why they book shows with you, because they really enjoy your company and the amazing service that you give them. So here's a tip on how to really keep your time management so that you don't lose sight of really being great at customer service. So what I do whenever I get back from trunk shows is I put in all the orders and then I paperclip them together as a group. And on the top of the group, I write on a sticky note the date that I want to call them. And I usually count it about 6 to 7 days later because by then they've gotten their jewelry. And then I put it on my calendar and I say, call everybody from Joni's show and follow up. And I give myself about a 30-minute time slot. You know, if there was more than 12 people there, you might want to give yourself a little longer. But generally, you're not going to get everybody, and you're going to get some voicemails and things like that. Then I call. And when it's the date that in time for me to call, I get on the phone and I call those people. And there's a couple things that I say to all of them. The first is, did you get your jewelry? And how do you like it? And as they're telling me about the jewelry that they got and if they like it or not, I'm asking them what they wore it with, if they've already had a chance to wear it, if they've gotten compliments. And that is a great way to really just go right into trying to get them to book a trunk show with you. You might have asked them at the show and they might not have been interested, or maybe they were a little bit interested, but it just didn't get on the calendar. Well, this is a great opportunity. Now they've seen the amazing, irresistible packaging. They've seen how fast it comes. Their friends have maybe complimented them on it at work, which is another reason why I wait 6 to 7 days, maybe even 7 to 8, because that way they've worn it. They've worn it out with their friends. They've worn it to work, whatever the case may be, and people are complimenting them on it. And that's right when I start saying, you know, it would be so much fun for you just to invite some of your girlfriends over and throw out a block of cheese like Joni did. And did you know Joni made $300 in free jewelry and 4 half-off items that night? And just talk to her about having her own show. If she's not interested for December because she's already too busy and her calendar's full, then talk to her about having one in January and being the first of all of her friends to show the new spring line. And the spring line comes out January 8th, so you know that by January 15th you'll have your jewelry in and you'll be ready to have one of those shows. So go ahead and get it on the calendar. That's your first goal, is try to book a trunk show from this person. Your second goal with them, if they're not really interested, is to let them know that you are available for any personal styling that they might need during this holiday season. When they were at the show, they might not have realized how amazing it comes packaged or how great the pieces are, or maybe a friend or relative or somebody at work was so excited about the piece that they saw them wearing and really loved it. So it's a great opportunity for you to talk to them about gifting, that you are available to help them with any style needs that they might need or any gifts that they might need during this holiday season. And also let them know that you love personal styling. So if they have a dress that they have at the back of their closet they want to pull out to wear to one of their holiday parties coming up, that you would love to help them style it to make it very fresh and new for them with new accessories. So let people know. And then, of course, you don't want to forget to really just thank them for their purchase and let them know that you appreciate it and that you would love to be their stylist in the future. So if you do those things, talk to them about what they love, find out if they're interested in having a show, talk to them about getting their own shopping done this season with you, personal styling, and thank them for their amazing loyalty to you, they will be your customers for a long time. So I really hope that this helps and that you take the time this holiday season to really make sure that you spend that time with each customer that they deserve. And I know it's hard and we're all super busy, but get it on the calendar and get going. I'd love to hear the results.